So we're going to learn to play dexterously as we move across the strings. I have 3 different levels of this. Just try this. If you find it to be interesting, great. If not, then we'll improve upon it in the future. So we're going to move our fingers across your 4 strings. Don't be alarmed. I have a 5-string cello. That's my C string. And this is level 1 of movement. You start with all fingers on the A string. And if you want to add comfort, you can release your thumb. You don't have to push down. And you move in tandem the first 2, 3, 4, first 2, 3, 4, all the way down to the C and back up. You can make a variation and start with 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1. And you really have to think about what's engaging on the strings, on the fingers that are remaining on the strings as you move over. Like when I move the 3, 4, I have to engage more of my 1, 2. Level 2 is going to be inside, outside. So inside fingers, inside, outside, inside, outside, back, back, and return back. Pretty easy. The next exercise, you can do an inverse of that, outside, inside. So outside, inside, outside, inside, moving in tandem. Outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. The last step, the last level, 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. Moving in tandem, returning backward, 1, 3, 2, 4. Engage your 2, 4, drop your 1, 3, and then keep those there. So what I'm doing is I'm engaging 2, 4, I'm moving 1, 3, and then going back. And then try the inverse. Lead with 2, 4, then 1, 3. Lead with 2, 4, and then 1, 3. Whoa, I lift my 1. Wait, I'm stuck. There we go. Lead with 2, 4. Try to narrate this as I'm doing it. Lead with 2, 4. And then move back with your 1, 3. Oh, I missed that one. Lead with 2, 4. I think this is easier coming backwards. You'll find your dominant digit your brain really likes. My brain for today really likes my 3rd finger. Doesn't want it to release. 2, 4, 1, 3. Good luck with that. Hopefully it helps you play more dexterously across your strings. Oh wow, that was hard.